to the Bank of England's decision today to cut interest rates?
It's welcome news for families and businesses that the Bank of England have now cut interest rates 6 times since the general election, taking interest rates to 3.75%, the lowest in nearly 3 years, and the fastest pace of interest rate reductions for 17 years. What it means for a first-time buyer with a sort of average-size mortgage is £100 less a month because of these successive cuts in interest rates.
Will you consider the changes recommended by today's farming review? What's your response to farmers who feel bewildered, who feel frightened? And there's a growing risk, isn't there, Chancellor, that elderly farmers are thinking about ending their own lives before April out of desperation. Will you look at that?
Well, we very much welcome the report from Minette Batters, the former head of the National Farming Union, and we will now review that independent report in full and respond to it in the new year. The changes around inheritance tax means that if you are a couple with a farm more than £3 million in value, you will pay inheritance tax, but it will be at 20% rather than the usual rate of 40%, and it will be repayable over 10 years interest-free, which is something that no other estates are able to benefit from. I think that is a fair change because we are asking people with those substantial assets to make a contribution to fund the public services like our NHS that we all rely on.